For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
Erase the above dots. There. Viparyaya. Vipayarya. Or
Viparyayaha.
Viparya.
See, where is the R sound?
Vipa.
First ya, above ya.
Yes.
So it should be
Viparya.
read before that ya. Correct?
Viparya.
Viparya,
Yeah. You're right.
Clear?
Yes. Okay. Nirukti or not needed? Nirukti of the word or just the sloka? Just the explanation.
Viparyaha.
Viparita, vipareha,
No, you tell me the meaning.
when there is the opposites. The gunas and their opposites. Gunasa sukshma vishada vikshati sa vipareha.
What does it mean, Viparyaha then?
The complementaries, the opposites.
The opposites. Same. The opposite.
Do we go for the nirukti of vipareha or just the...
No need. The word itself is the nirukti.
Okay.
Now tell me. Uktartha. Please
Uktar-
speak to the word first. Carefully speak to the word.
Ukta,
Uktar.
ukta plus artha,
Then. Vaiparityena. Actually it is compound word.
ukta plus artha,
Vaiparityena. Vaiparityena. Is there?
just a second, because this is going to be
Why
u.
is there?
U will change to va, right?
Ukta artha. Single word.
Yeah,
Ukta
no,
artha.
but in this we are going to have a joining u.
No, nothing. Why? It's all. Simply why. Why is a single word. After ukta, vaiparityena. There is no something.
You say why. In English, why is...
No. I read Sanskrit.
This is
Yeah.
vai.
Vaiparityena.
Vai, pari,
Tyena.
tiena, lakshanam, lakshanam, syad,
Syad.
syad,
Viparya.
vipareya.
What's the meaning of ukta?
To tell, to
Told, right?
Told.
What is the meaning of artha? Subject. Vishaya. Vaiparitya means?
opposite.
So, opposite to the
To the subject.
to the subject expressed. To the subject which is told.
Okay.
What is the meaning of lakshana?
Meaning?
Lakshana.
Lakshana is sign.
Sign. And don't write. Lakshyate iti lakshana. Right? Right? I'll tell you. Lakshyate iti lakshana.
Okay.
So, observation, the process of observation. That which helps for the observation is
Lakshana.
Lakshana. The process of observation is also Lakshana. Right? Correct?
Okay.
So, the process of
observation here.
the process of observation
Okay.
of a given sentence in an opposite.
This is the final.
Write down in an opposite.
This is only about Lakshana or about everything?
Lakshana is there now.
Yeah, but we have also Syad.
I'm
Syad.
coming now. That is why is the process of observation of a given statement
Okay.
in its opposite sense is or may known as
O meio, Syad é meio.
may known as viparyaya. You must wait till the meaning is true.
Yeah, but I was just doing the pada dharta, not the full sentence. Now I'll be.
Yeah, okay.
the whole sentence. That's what I was.
Syad is
The
me.
process. Okay. Of observation. What do you mean by observation? It's not
That's why.
making-
See,
Okay.
nothing. Actually inferring. Here the observation you have to take it as inferring.
Inferring.
Suppose a statement is given.
Inferring from a given sentence.
Yeah, yes. Inferring from a given sentence. You learned Arthavati, do you remember? You learned Arthavati. What was the meaning you had learned? Arthavati, there is a Tandravati.
It's implication.
Implication. Tell me the sentence that which we write or written.
The final sentence. Okay. Implication of an additional subject matter from the given statement.
Yes. It is only implication. That means you can get many meanings out of it, right?
Yes.
But Viparya you will get only
Opposition.
opposite. That's all. This difference between that and this.
From given sentence. Opposite sentence.
Yeah.
Just when you give the address in here in India, opposite to building.
I think you understood now.
Yes.
The other one you will get multiple meaning. But here you will get only, you can take only the opposite.
Arthapati can be multiple influences. Here only opposite.
Yeah.
Okay. Arthapati is going to be number 13. Okay, shall we go for the next?
Yes.
Yes. So this is going to be Aviparyayaha again.
Yes.
So it's going to be Viparyayaha and Aviparyayaha. Or no? Is this
You
another?
got it, Viparya. Example you read. Otherwise, how can you understand it? One example, at least one you have to.
Okay. Jwaropadrava Jwaropadravati Shanatvam. So this is Ashtanga Hridaya.
What is the sentence? What is the sentence you see?
Jwaropadrava
Jvarobhadravas Tikshnatvam.
Tikshnatvam.
Sentence. What is the meaning of that one?
Okay. That sloka is 24. 24?
50? Why 5, you know, I told you. The shape Y is always 5.
Okay. Why is I
5, 54. You take Nidana, take the slogan and read the meaning.
Oh, take Nidana. Okay, that's
Oh.
going to be. So Nidana is going to be it's Sutra, then it's Sharira, right? Then it's Indriya, then it's Nidana.
After Sutra, Nidana will come or Sharira will come?
Oh yeah,
You tell me, after Sutra, Nidana will come or Sharira will come in Ashtanga?
Sharira. Is not this the order? Sutra, Sharira, Indriya, Nidana, Chikitsa, Uttara.
Okay.
Good.
Yes.
At least that I know.
You see?
Sutra, Sthana.
This is only 19 chapters. 30 chapters are.
This is Sharira. Sthana. This is Nidana. Good.
So
now
after Sharira?
it's Nidana. It's not Indriya. Okay. So we need which chapter? Chapter 1.
1.
The 1 is 9.
54. That is Nidana. Yeah.
So
Slogan number 54 you take. What is
this
this?
is chapter 1. This is 40. Oh no, this is the number of the page.
Yeah?
This is the page.
Page number. Slogan number here. Take so many are there.
Okay.
26. This is third chapter. Second chapter. First chapter. 50? 54.
4.
Nidanam, there is no 54 slokas.
This is
There is no 54 slokas.
Ashtanga Hridaya.
Here it is 54. There. This actually second chapter, they did the mistake.
Okay, this.
There is a reference mistake.
Oh, yes. The 2 is the easiest one.
Yeah. Because first is Sarvanoga Nidana. Second chapter is Jwaranidana.
Dwarapa, Dwarapa Drava
Tikshna
Tikshna
Tvam
Tvam.
Amla
Okay. Amla.
Amlanir Bahumutrata.
Bahu.
Mutrata.
Bahu. Where is the R here?
Bahu
Bahu.
Mutrata.
Okay. Bahu Mutra.
Ta.
Ta. Na.
Na
Pra.
pravarthir
Oh, this is just one. Na pravar.
tirna vit
Vitta.
Vitta.
Vidda.
Ah.
Vidda.
Ah.
Okay.
Jirnana
Jirna. Na. Shoot.
Sama
Sama
Jwaragati
Jwarar.
Gradi Agradi
Kr.
Ti
Kruti.
Akrati.
Akriti.
Akrati means Samprati. Samprati means pathology. Pathology of Samajwara is this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So there will be Ubadrava Tekshnatva. There will be Ubadrava Tekshnatva. What is the meaning of Ubadrava?
Drava is going to be liquidity.
Ubadrava. In diseases.
Upadrava is going to be the
Secondary diseases.
the subsequent.
Subsidiary disease. Main disease will be there. There will be small Ubadrava.
Yes.
Jwara will be there. Kasa will be there. Pradishaya will be there. All this will be acting as Ubadravas.
Okay.
So that is Ubadrava. So in Samajwara,
Roga
general.
Nidana Pragrupa Lakshnopashaya.
That is Ubashayati.
Okay.
That is Apti Agava. Okay. So generally in Samajwara, the secondary diseases will be powerful in Samajwara. This is told in this sloka.
Okay.
Now, what they are telling? Clear. In Samajwara,
Okay.
Joro Ubadrava Tekshnatva. Joro Ubadrava Ubadravas will be very
Tikshna.
Tikshna. It is in which one? Samajwaram.
Okay.
If there is a disease Samajwaram, there will be another jwara opposite to Samajwaram. Which is that?
And
Ha.
Nirama.
Niramajwaram. Pakvajwaram or Niramajwaram. So what will be the condition in Niramajwaram? Will it be Upadrava Tikshnatva? No.
No.
Upadrava
Manda.
So author will not tell you. In Niramajwara, the Upadrasas will be like this. From this you must understand that there is a condition. In that the condition will be like this. Do you understand that one? Clear?
But look, this the reader will only be able to understand after he reads his thoughts about Tantra Yukti, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I told you na. Before reading the textbook, you are supposed to
Be
study the tools of
Reading.
the Tantra.
Okay.
We are doing after learning, and those colleges also teaching like that. It's a mistake they are doing. Very big mistake. I told you na that day itself.
Okay.
And Ashtanga Hridaya you should learn with Ashtanga Hridaya Tantra Yukti. You are not supposed to read the Ashtanga Hridaya Tantra Yukti with as Ashtanga Hridaya and Sangraha are written by the same author. Still there are some Tantra Yuktis different in definition by Arunadatta, because Arunadatta has written the definition for the purpose of justifying his Vyakhyana, description. Okay? Are you getting my point?
And Hemadri follows the same one.
Yamadri is not speaking about Tantra Yukti at all.
Okay. So he is following this.
Yeah, automatically. Okay. But if you take the definitions in Ashtanga Sangraha, so Ashtanga Sangraha, Tantra Yuktis are written accordingly to explain Ashtanga Sangraha. Even though Vagbhada was a single author. Very good.
Yeah, there are discussions about that.
As this textbook is compiled by whom? Neelamegha. He is taking the example here Ashtanga Hridaya. Actually, this example you should study from Ashtanga. Are you getting it?
Ashtanga what? Hidaya.
Ashtanga Sangraha.
Why?
Because this definition is from, not from Hridaya Tantra Yukti. This definition is from.
How do you know that? That it's from Sangraha.
See, in the beginning itself we told na this is from Sangraha. All these definitions are of Ashtanga Sangraha.
Okay.
See, I will show you. If you get it. Now take this in your hands.
Yes, we have that in the file.
Yeah.
We read.
Yeah. See, you will wonder. The examples, if you see, you will wonder. You studied Abhavarga, na? Previously?
Yes.
See the Abhavarga definition here. Abhavargo naam Sagalyena Utsrishtasya Yat Punah Tad Egadesha Abhagarshana. See, somewhere else something is told in a total one. We are taking one part of it and make it into a single. What is the example he has given you? See, Shidoshna Snigdha Rukshadyehi Ubhakrandaha Egadaha Samyak Sadhyana Siddhanti Techa Rekta Pragopajaha. What's the definition given? Teshu Sravaidam Rektam Udriktam Vyadayet Siram Ityutsargam Abhidaya Egadeshe Abhavadam Vyakti. His interpretation is somewhat different, small different, but this is same only. Only my view is right, others' view should be taken aside. Same idea.
Okay.
But in a different way he has defined it. He has divided. Viparyayam. Yadovadishta viparyayana lakshanadivaranam. The same.
Okay.
Clear? I think you understood now?
Yes.
Yeah.
But is there, because in the beginning of this text he is comparing the different Tantra Yuktis.
Yeah.
There is nothing that can be considered the proper book of Tantra Yukti
That is the tragedy. There is no...
without consideration about which book it's being used.
You know one thing?
Because in the
I will
West,
explain.
the logic.
I will explain to you.
This is called
The
logics.
problem with Indian authors now at present, what had happened? they have taken Tantra Yuktis from different textbooks, and they will, in the beginning, what they will do? They will list everything. And they have approached the Tantra Yuktis as a single tool for all textbooks. Could you understand? Could you
Yes,
understand?
this is the West way of thinking.
So, what?
There is a science that is separate from the object.
But
Here it's not.
But when you take Ashtanga Sutra, Ashtanga Hridaya, you should study when you wanted to understand whom Arunadatta, you must understand the definitions given by
Yeah, but
Arunadatta.
my point is that when you're studying Jyotish, there is no Tantra Yukti there. And for
Yes,
example,
Jyotisha generally, I told you that itself. Each science has got their own tools to learn it.
but sometimes they are not written.
See,
And the point is that if I have the knowledge of which are the types that Tantra Yukti that exist, when I'm reading there, maybe I can have some insights. Just for an example,
certainly.
I was teaching people this last Saturday,
Certainly.
and the shloka there is, if the graha is ucha, then this will change. This is the statement that is there. Okay, it will not become shatru, it will become mitra.
Okay.
That's
So,
there.
if it is not in this condition, automatically you can say that.
But as we are learning here, we can also say, if it's in a positive condition and it's nischa, it's not ucha, the shatru will become, the mitra will become shatru, because it's making the complementary observation from that thing. And it makes a lot of sense. It's a logical statement that extends the principle for just one single thing for another thing. So I believe, I might be wrong, I hope that I'm wrong, but I believe that I need to learn a little bit of Tantra Yuktis in a way that I can read Jyotish without people
You can
saying
read that.
which Tantra Yukti is being applied there, because usually Jyotish is much more I will not say hidden, but it's much more occult than Ayurveda.
Yeah, sure.
Jyotish people don't show. They only teach to people that are close, because it's much more powerful Shastra. You can do a lot of misuse.
Yeah, sure.
So as I'm studying the Tantra Yuktis, I will try to also
You can interpret like this.
Interpret.
Behind the lines, this
because
meanings
they are
can.
very concise, the shlokas. The shlokas are not self-contained. They need to be unzipped.
Yeah, sure. This is a process of unzipping, actually. Tantra Yukti helps you to unzip.
And
You can-
sometimes also to verify, because it's not only one possible interpretation that you can get. Sometimes you can get
Certainly,
more than-
many interpretations.
And sometimes you have to deny others. Just like
Arthavati
Raktabhi.
will give you a lot.
So if
Jyotisha would
this,
have been made one statement. From that statement, you can infer so many.
if this Viparyayaha here, we can make the strong statement that there are only 3 doshas. Without that, it can be multiple understandings. Okay. Shall we go more and more?
Yeah.
Aviparyayaha.
No.
This is the next one.
No. No viparyaha, viparyaha.
20.